Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 17T Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you've got the internet connection, and in this case, in the case of backing up the data, I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data so you can avoid some additional charges. Alright, so we've got the internet connection. As you can see, I've got Wi-Fi, so now we can open the settings. Here, let's tap on About Phone, which is at the very top of the list, and let's scroll down to find this option, Backup and Restore. Then scroll down again, and as you can see here, we've got this Google Backups section. So just tap on Backup. And this tutorial is suitable for people who do not have their Google account added to this device. However, those who have the Google account will also benefit from the instructions, because I can show you how to add or assign your current Google account to back up the data. So I need to sign in because I do not have my Google account added. So let me tap on Next. And as you can see here, we've got this plus option, Add Account. If you've got your Google account added here, your account will appear somewhere here at the top or at the bottom. And you will be simply able to tap on it and choose it and set it as your backup account. If you do not have one, just tap on this plus icon, so just Add Account. Again, make sure about the internet connection. Here in this step, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we need to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on Next. Here we need to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data like call history or text messages. So it basically depends what you want to do. You can back up both. So photos and other device data, or you can choose the specific one. So for example, only photos and videos. I will pick only this one because why not, and tap on Confirm. So as you can see, here we've got our Google account added to the device right now. Other device data are turned on. So before we will simply tap on Backup now to finish everything, I highly recommend to open this other device data in my case. And here you've got some further details about how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage on your account, so you can clean up the space, for example. Here you've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, and advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some additional charges. Alright, so to finish everything, let's go back and tap on Backup now. And now your device is backing up the data, so just leave it and let it work. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.